Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, click the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed on this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now tap on Use Template. If you're from India, you have to use VPN to make this work. Now add your 3 photos. Now check your video and click on Export. Now click on Export without watermark. Now you can share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.